Adofo mame mo akwaba emfa umbra GCN pages so midin ede adwoa sechi mesrel subscribe to my channel faunsa mi abe on so ubenya notification ensem ekoso wo memu bi obenya bi atie anase obenya bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha munua ba adwoa sechi meje makodwa se dia na eye ensem a ekoso ewo memu ko a ene ye de ebro na ye koyanima ni ye de ani etre Ganafo akachi na Ganafo akensebia omo ebisa eye omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say why no okase eye hwan ya mpaso omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no okase anase enyona Ganafo say they don't think far, they don't think madness why ni na de ntia Ganafo ekase ina ne say eye omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say seek help, Ghana is going through unbearable hardship. Mahama begs Akufo-Addo. Intini na ne say omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama catch His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo our Ghana young president say on seek help because baby o mine no ekono o mine no esenke dum so sorry galamse nyensu na essay enyama enkoyie e wo man free SHS sisi school ye hu so double track green track yellow brown any tracks in the bebre ni na NDC for akeka bo mo HS o man enkoyie na eno omanpani dada wa be president e wo man mu Ghana free na so ye nim ono so do ba obeye ono ka kire omanpani His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo say on seek help because Ghana go through hardship yedwo ho ayenti ase na Ghana fo nso eko post lase eko hwe ya akwadwendwen ho no mo se da ho na okase baba yo fi eya ho ya na okase na yenti ase kutu ko kache that the sense and you to do oh my penny dada asem na okan no come asem na waka just come again because we don't get it, we do not get it just from 2012 to 2016 now we are president or memu we know enyama ekoso nyema ekoso na ebasata and the NDC for God work as na yesen kabukeli now be kase na nado and seek help from where also baba seek help from who no wa be president ni yehu so nti seek no ehemfa ena na nado and seek help adofo yenti ensem Ganafo bi eka ede etre omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama e wa bra odisa ensem we etu dwawe eye odro ena wo chese just to remind ourselves when he was in power he said he was a dead goat to the hardship and that untie obia he told Ghanaians Bawumia and Co have not been president before so they cannot talk about hardship. He took Ghana to IMF when there was no crisis with COVID-19 and lots of damage was done to the other wives intino when so the odro at the by way Fred and our said sometimes our politicians talk like comedians. See who is talking. Mahama. And I went so Kwajo Owusu Bempana Oche say a pot calling the kettle black. Even in a global pandemic, the economy is strong and picking up well. And I went so Angela and Oche say, is that Mahama saying this? Akufo-Addo might need help, but not from your very own JM, aka Mahani, and I went so Stephen Uduna or just a propaganda people. So there was no hardship during Mahama era. A question I will be sending when you see and then or just say indeed Ghanaians have short memories, but not 4 years of doing so. What good legacy can we remember for you? And I went so James no just say we deserve to suffer more than this, 8 more for Nana. And I went so Kingsley and just say even United States of America, Japan, United Kingdom, Germany is in hardship with this COVID-19. Mr. Mahama, go and find yourself a job. Commenting the and Ghana for the about catch up my penny that John Dramani Mahama say you are not the best person to tell His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo to seek help in some way and Ghana for the Atuja.
Fna eno de ati se wa hono natie pa na aye dikandika no sa nsuo no ekobo ofim na me ne oduru ha ya awre hosam
nti den na Nyankopon ye biem
unim ora me nchia me nka ne se ya unim
sankofo wo ye nchi
ye wia na me ba because ade we ya ni brisam ase ka unim bibi sa ye wo man we mu no unim se ensu nyina mamra aye wo ye constitution e kire se e president nsam and ono na ese hwe so
na se oman mu ha ye wo no tumi ni nyina bebre no
but when there was specify act 522 I specify say ensu bia wo ye mamu nyina ese president nya president we nko awo president bia oti so ese mo wani ko ho na bo ho ban aninti na president ne so ati commission bia from water resource commission asamra we e ma o mandate me say me bom modena hwe say nyame be maduma mama nya lawyer bi na nko asoma sene ne ye de sa commission na court
okay
he unim say obia bedi tumi bia ye mane so oath but me ne lawyer bi di hu nkomo say obi bu nimra so o can say if I fail to do this I should suffer the penalty for it o so o ta kasa penalty no why na say de ma o me ne lawyer bi di hu nkomo na me ekwan bia ese ma obi face penalty for the inability or friends and negligence no as I say Ghana for ye me ani bre near the sound microphone ko jina court. We need to test the law about this because you trust pa ye hwa ama bia nsuo ye friend bia I say Tano I say Ankobra I say Pra I say aka emse voter nkwa na ono de emse biribinti voter na ni da hokakra nsuo me bubo so Ankobra ni nyina sei nsuo akasie sei hwe oman bi pe ba akopɛ nsuo ba akopɛ omuni bi go to the desert and see go to the desert nkura what desert no kone ko bisa se omunya nsuo wa
na me ka mi si Jimmy ni Gabi mu omase no
anti atme atrase ama nsuo akanyina me ya okoduru ofe so ofe bra adenti ne ye ankasa ye manyame sabie buru ye manyame aye hunu because ye mind there ye minima de ko anyame mfa bi num yen debio ye makata osabi ni ahwe Ghana we their akaya leaders we don't have their akaya a leader which we don't have. Nano me can we don't have leaders. That is our problem. That is the challenge we have.
The leaders are involved.
They are not. Until I make us see a leader. And until I see a new leader. Because a leader is selfless. Leader you will be a selfless. He leads. Or no, or who say the mind mutifo ebedi ye or no cry ni ya. Or just footprint or just legacy. Do we have such leaders in our country? Or mukra na yan more. The legacy they are leaving for us is the West. We are seeing. I didn't think you said Hunusa, you tag and had yes also. It's a Hunusa. Near devastated me say. Abrantie bi kotwa awoma na kurase ye friend na japoku Fred Makase kase okotwa awoma ema ya che no de no police station samre na miswa woma o ene forest tabusre forest panimu pa wo wa ba mu akobo awura forest num a devastating forest ni na. Do you know purpose of forest? The entire Yeja forest and say, Yemfanya Jima posterity in Tini Yeja forest. And I say, a common bar near and Sassino Yabia, Mikromukuma, Minia, Ukomikromukumawa. Nancy, I say one thing. Into our system, agricultural system, be a friend of Twanja system. Twanja system, be trap forest in Mawa. Now, one could diam board, dear no buyer, who board dear pa bakwa. Would you have no forestry for na be dear munia? Na emma a com emma. where they are devastating for a chemunya abu